My family thinks all I do is sit around here and eat meat and fly toy planes. Some of that is true, but I wanted to show the Bachelor vegetable selection as seen from me, Andrew, here in California. So we got some bananas. I love bananas in the morning. I like the onion category. I do like my peppers as well. I like sweet Mayan onions, and I like to have some color in my pepper, so I usually get an orange and a green pepper. Got a couple of russet potatoes. A friend of mine recently moved to Boise, Idaho, and I learned about potatoes and the differences, and it's quite the miracle vegetable. Avocados, because California, avocados go good with just about anything. And some garlic, and you can't go without the meat. So we got a giant roast here, in which we're going to use some vegetables and make something yummy. So it's not just about the meat, it's about the meat and the vegetables.